What's up, guys? Welcome to 12 a.m. Hustle. How you guys doing this morning? Good morning. 5:11 a.m. in the West Coast. Let's do this, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Good morning. It's Friday. So today I'm gonna take it pretty chill on the size. Let you break it down what happened yesterday. So basically, I fucked up yesterday. I overtraded midday. I was good on the day actually. Like I said, I and finished the day 2 grand up on one account. The other account I had finished the day up $500, but I just overtraded. It is what it is. It happens. But this is what prop trading's all about. Much easier, to lose 150K, a couple 150K accounts than it is to lose, real live money if you overtrade or go on tilt. If you lose 3 grand, if you lose 7, 8 grand in real personal money, that's the advantage of the prop firms. So, show you guys what's the dealio. So we bought a couple accounts, reset a couple more. So let's get into it. So these other ones were from other accounts passed on the month. But so we got 1, 2, 3. So that's the goal. So goal is to get 3 funded, and then we're gonna go for 2 more, and the total goal is to get 5 funded, and then go from there. So we're in the get funded phase, I call it, which is goal is to get funded, and then after we get funded, we'll move into the funded phase just to get payouts. So that's how I treat it. For me, I treat first phase is focus on just evals. Second phase, focus on just funded. We trade a little bit different. Might get a little more size when we're doing evals or combines, but I'm gonna try to keep it consistent for about a week or two and just keep the size consistent. Focus on risk. Let's get into it. So here we go, guys. Let's see what's going on. Looks like we might have a nice little breakout here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's 12M Hustle. I come from trading personal account. I come from trading small caps, stocks. I've traded it all. Now I'm on futures. So I've been on futures for a while now, about a year and a half, 2 years. And yes, I work from home. I have other screens right here, and I pretty much day trade full time as well. But yes, if you have a 9 to 5, you can do it just remotely. There, that you see right here. But if you like what I'm bringing, if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. So back to trading. But here we go. Looks like we might have a breakout coming out here. Looks like we had a sell-off. We had a nice little sell-off yesterday. That was nice. And we have a nice little breakout coming up here. These levels, I'm going to leave these levels here. But what I'm really focused on is, are we going to break out today, or are we going to continue down? So let's draw. So I use, another thing about my trading is pretty simple. I use previous day high, previous day low. Here's your previous day high, here's your previous day low. And I use London levels and Asia levels. So here's your London low, and here's your London high. And here is your Asian. So your London and Asian are pretty on spot level today. Go on that. What you're looking for about here. Break. These levels are pretty close. See me drawing it here. And actually we'll draw yesterday's previous day Asia lows. We get an idea of what we're looking at. So looks like we're looking at a breakout, but we're gonna wait. Ideally, you want to see a pullback kind of into this area. And I'll actually set up a buy probably right here, and then risk off these lows and see them pop back up. Or we can take a nice small little scalp here and see if we break this. If we do, then I'm looking to the short side. So same thing. So that's the game plan here. Better for you guys. First, this is how I start my trading. First, I draw my levels, draw what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, on my channel, sometimes I might be quiet when I'm live streaming just because, I'm working as well. So gotta make some calls. If you don't know, I work for a law firm. Can't tell you what law firm I work for, but yeah, that's my job. We're doing this. It looks better for you guys. Just trying to make it better on the eyes for you guys. Okay, there we go. And yeah, we're gonna be trading micros. There you go. We'll be doing micros, guys. Micros. Thing about yesterday was I also showed in my live stream is when you go minis and you have these small drawdowns, on Topstep, you have $3,000 DD on the Ninja platform. On the top X, you can change it, but it just causes you to overtrade and tilt. So I like the DD daily stop 3,000, which is pretty good. Stops you out, then you still have tomorrow to come back. You have 1,500, 1,500 wiggle room. So yeah, we're doing micros. So this is a MNQ and this is MNQ. That's it. Top max we can go on here is 15 micros, which is 1.5 million. I think is plenty enough to make enough money and control your risk, which is the most important. Risk. So we got this going on. All right, these are our levels, and I'm looking for overall plan. I'm looking for gap fill. This huge gap fill here. That is what I'm looking for. And we go to the daily. So once we got our established our levels, you go to the daily. See that gap? Levels are good. I'm looking for that gap fill up. So I'm gonna take a long. See this? Still thinking we're bullish today. One more thing before we start trading. I think we have news. And I'm actually gonna take a long on here, guys. I'm gonna take that long, but I'm just gonna see if we ride the coats of it. There you go. I'm gonna risk a quick 1 micro. Like I said, I think we're gonna get a gap fill. Gonna shoot pretty high, and we're just gonna risk 100 on it. We'll risk about 72. Not bad. So that's our risk. About 168. Let's do 150. We'll do 150. We'll put 3 micros on 250. There you go. 198. Pretty good risk for a good reward, about 609. We're gonna leave that there. And then I trade one account at a time. I do not copy trade, because if you blow up or you go on tilt, then you're screwed. All right, so we'll leave that there for you guys. And news today, Friday, we do have news. We have DC coming out. Okay, we do have news. Let me. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can drop it in the comments. I leave them open. I'll try to get to them if I'm able to read them. If not, I'll always answer them after, but I will always get to them for you guys. I'll give you guys the exact what we got going on news today. All right, cool. So on news, we have core PC index 530, personal income index 530, and personal spending 530. So in about 9 minutes. This is all Pacific time. That's the gap, especially on news. 1 to 3 micros is pretty good to have. I will keep it the risk pretty. Actually, risk a little less. Always focus on the risk. There you go. 170, pretty tight. About 90. Yeah, about 90. About 90 ticks. And I might even at 86. Yeah, 150. If I'm wrong, then I call it an expense. It's pretty good to find out if I'm wrong. So that's the news today. Ideally, by trade news, I don't want to go heavy on the sides. I do not want to go heavy on the sides, but this is the daily. Here's the move. We filled this gap, so I'm looking overall for a push into this and maybe possible push into this gap. And if we fill this gap either today or next week, then we're looking at, I think we're going back to all-time highs. And then of course, if we hit all-time highs on MNQ or NQ, then we're going to break out. By the way, NQ is your tech futures index. So let's go back. 10-minute. And by the way, this is a 15-minute, and I usually like to have this on a 30-minute. Because when I get breaks of the 30-minute bar, it's usually a good indication that I'm pretty wrong if I'm on the wrong side. Oh, there we go. But yeah, this gap fill here would be glorious. I would even take a 24.45. It's kind of where I got this at right here. So let's see if we get it. If we do, we're good. I'll trade that account. We'll move on to the next. But yeah, that's the game plan for today, guys. Okay, so overall, I'm looking for in about 9 minutes. News move. If I'm right, we're gonna shoot up, either fill midway half of this gap, or we're gonna shoot all the way up. Plan 2 is I'm wrong, right? Get stopped at around this area level here. This 31 level gets stopped out. We shoot back down. I will take a short. I'll flip short. Look for a cover into this area. 2252, and then see what it wants to do. If we keep on flushing, I'll take another short probably off here, off this 2038, looking into that previous day low as a target, right? So that's the game plan for today. So plan A is we shoot up, fill midway the gap, I ride the wave, get filled, no news. Plan B is I'm freaking wrong, bite the bullet, get the expense, flip short, cover into this area, right? And then we just see off price action. If we keep on bleeding off, then short, keep shorting, keep recycling into previous day low. If we break previous day low, I don't know if I want to continue to short just because I don't think we're gonna, drop off and bleed down to our weekly low, which was 1994. I just don't see it. I could be freaking wrong. Oh, my mindset is always, if I'm wrong, how bad could it get, right? And you always want to use stop losses. Accept that you're going to be wrong. People don't want to be wrong. That's the biggest thing about trading. They don't want to be wrong. The quicker you get at, better you get actually at sucking or losing, the better trader you're going to become. Okay, so there's that. We're looking at these levels here. Just going to lows this previous days and weekly. So overall, let's one more analysis before we let it ride. So we've been going up, right? Bullish, bullish, bullish. So if you've been swing trading, you bought around 19 and you rode it all the way up. Amazing. You've done that. If not, you'd also have had chances to intraday scalp. But overall today, looks like a pullback in a bigger time frame, and looks like we're going to continue to go up. Maybe a breakout. Maybe this gap fill here. Or maybe I'm wrong. We break trend. I'm wrong here. Cover a short. We bleed off all the way down. That is the game plan for today. That's it. Pretty simple. Since it's news day, I'm gonna keep it between 1 to 3 micros on during the news. After the news, will probably go up. Maybe 1 to 8 micros, maybe 9. I'm not feeling the whole 15 micros type of thing day. It's Friday. Main goal today is just to get green and stop. So really depends on what I see on price action after the news. And that's it. Hope you guys like it. Trying to keep it simple. I'm going to show you guys what day trading is all about with all the bullshit. There is no fucking Lambos here. Yes, I do work a 9 to 5. It's okay to work a fucking 9 to 5 so you become a professional trader, which meaning in my opinion is at least 1 to 2 years of profitably trading, making over, everyone's price is going to be different. I would say 120, 120 to 130,000. If you can make that consistently for 24 months and have 50,000 in the bank, then maybe you can go ahead and try. Just maybe you can go ahead and try personal trading on your own or prop trading on your own full time. That way you're not pressed to make the money. And it's going to be different for everybody because everybody has different circumstances, right? Kids, some of us don't have kids, dogs, whatever the hell it is. So it's different for everybody. But yeah, I work 9 to 5. I don't get paid bad. Not gonna go on here and tell you guys how much I make, but I do pretty well for myself. And that is about it. Pretty simple. All right. And my usually clock schedule is usually 5 to 2, so 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. But I don't like to trade too much to after 8. Um, I usually trade. I'm a big kind of morning trader, so 5 to 8 is my window, and then after that, I'm just over it. Right? Mentally, I can't make too many choices. By the way, on average, a regular trader makes about 1 to 20 choices in the morning. Most people, on average, make about 20 choices in their whole day. So, give you some perspective on how trading mindset works. We have this thing called mental cap, right? Your mental capability. How many choices? How many good choices can you make? They say average of 1 to 2 hours max. So that's why I try to hit it 1 to 2 hours max. Now, if I get green, you know, I'm up $400 or $500 on each account. I might just stop and out, start my weekend. Another thing is kind of have an idea where you want to stop on the day, right? Not like a daily goal, but like I want to average 4 to 500, right? You can pass these 150Ks. That's what I'm here to show you guys. You can pass them. Not gonna say they're easy, but they're doable. Gotta control the greed and the risk, right? If you take 3 wrong trades on one account, flip to the other, right? And come back to that one if it's set up. If you're down $800 on one, take a break, relax, sit down, see what you're doing, flip to the other account, and then try to get that back. On the average, to pass these accounts, if you make about $300 to $400 for the next 20 days, which is 1 month before the renewal prescription, you can pass them. But that's what I'm here to show you guys. So after we get funded, I'm gonna do funded only. So I'll show you guys how to treat the funded account, which is gonna be a big difference from evals. We'll freaking do low size and we'll go for larger, bigger moves. And our goal there will but just be to grow the account. I take monthly withdrawals actually from it. So yeah, hope you guys are liking the content. The other thing is, I just want to show you guys what it really is to trade with prop firms, how it is. No bullshit, right? I hope you guys enjoy. And news is about to hit in a minute, so let's get into it. Let's see what happens. Oh, there's a bounce. There you go. Let's see if I'm right on the idea. I get smoked. If I get smoked, it's cool. Right? We already planned that I was gonna get smoked. We're okay with losing to find out. Yeah. I could just all right, I moved to the break even, so I'm gonna free trade. Free trade. We're gonna recycle here. We're gonna take this free trade, guys, right here. Okay. We're gonna add that. So now we're playing with house money there. See how I recycled that? And we are gonna go back and still have that same stop. Now, if I'm wrong, which it's okay if I'm wrong. I'll take being wrong. And well, pretty much I call it the free trade. It's basically a free trade. Right? Right there. Free trade. If I'm wrong, it's all good. I have so many tasks at work. I'm screwed. Like 92. Oof. Like I said, if I mute myself, it's because I'm making calls. And obviously, channel's called 12M Hustle for a reason. 12M Hustle. I don't use my name on here, obviously, because I work. That way, I don't really know who the hell I am. And 12M Hustle stands for 12 months out of the year, just grinding beer. So I want to add here, but I want to wait for a push. And the reason I'm waiting for a push is because I want to add to my winners. You want to start getting in the habit of adding to combine, sim train. I don't give a crap what you're doing. Add to winners, not to losers. Of course, we all do it sometimes, but try to make it a habit. So here we go. Here's a push right here. If I get it, I'm adding one more. Hidden, hidden, push. Okay, so now we're good. I will take this risk trade here. We come back and get stopped out here. There's nothing wrong with that because we're on a free risk trade. Ideally, if we see a push pass here, we're in the business. This gap, okay. Take that off. Now we're really in a bit. So we're waiting to get stopped out here for this free trade. Right? We get stopped out. Right to the top, baby. Oh, we're about to get stopped out. Fine. Because originally that was the plan, right? I'm always thinking, where am I wrong? And if I'm wrong, is it okay? Right? It's not gonna blow myself up. All about that risk. Everyone's always thinking, how much can I make? Like Joe Soros or Paul Jones, biggest traders in the world, millions, right? They would say if people focus more on how much they can lose than how much they can make, 90% would. Still watching it, still kind of just hanging out, holding that London high, Asian high, at 30-minute. That 2032 level breaks down on a 15 and a 30. That's a good sign for a short. And I'll probably short it 3 to 4 micros. I'll take that little L. I'm cool with that. I actually think working kind of helps. I'm not like to focus on. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Originally I don't have the order filled and all that shit on there because it got really fucking annoying. I took that off. The reason I trade on Ninja Traders because I've traded on it on my personal accounts before, and I just like the way I can read the candles. Again, I dropped it to 2 micros just because we're in profit at a $1.40. We lose, that's fine. We'll lose a $1.50. Literally be a scratch trade. We'll be back to break even. Call it a free trade basically. We're riding a freebie right here. Don't know if we're gonna fill that gap. Keeps being rejected. About 5:36 a.m. Oh, giving it pretty good wiggle room, which you can do this on micros. Do this shit on minis, and you'll be down freaking 4 times. They're losing 148 on 2 minis. I'd be losing like 1,500, right? Way more than 1%. I'm probably gonna work. And another thing is, like I said, I trade one account at a time. One account at a time, so I can focus on one idea. I also have this thing called time slots. I'll break it down, guys. I have it right behind me. 6:45, we have algos come on, or they say, I don't fucking know. Price moves. At 7:30, we either have a push or a fail, which means if we're haven't reached the daily high, we're either gonna go for it or we're gonna stay under it. 8 a.m. we have the FU bar. I call it FU bar, means it's gonna screw you. Actually, we're gonna add. This is where it'll take. I want to add. I always want to add to my profits. If we lose, that's fine. 225. FU bar. Then at 9 we have another price move. At 10:40 we have midday, and at 12 these are all PST times. They have and then I have my Asian, London, all that good stuff. Sweet. Oh, all right. That is full free fucking trade. Sick full trade. Free trade. Anyways, but yeah, I actually might want to write it. De-risking myself here. I'm up $1.63, right? Full on half off risk right here. We ride this baby to the top. A nice ride. If I'm wrong, we switch. Guys. 539. But yeah, this is what trading's all about. It's fucking boring. By the way, this slow grind up really fucking sucks. Don't like it. Like at all. I might even take some off here. Maybe take this green. Which accounts? Let's do that. Which accounts? Alright, so I switched accounts. Take that 169 profit on the other one. I'm doing it for the psych, right? The mindset. Like, I love being green. Being green is fucking amazing. Still, 3 micros. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. So we switched to another account. We're green on one. Like I said, I think that stop is pretty good. About a buck 34, right? Buck 34. Okay with a 40 stop. I'm not saying you can fucking YOLO this, right? But you're gonna take that habit into your funded, and then you're gonna be screwed, and then doing this shit over and over again, which sucks and it's annoying. Want to build habits, right? Trading's like working out. Want to do the same shit over. I usually have music on, but I'm doing these uh live stream. All right, I just video's not the hell up. Sun's not even up yet in Vegas. Yes, I live in the 702 area. No, I don't have a fucking. I have a fucking all paid off. Redid the motor on it. We did the work myself. Insurance is great on it. You know, on that news, I wanted a great shot up. This grinding shit sucks. I'm not really digging that. Yeah, news is over. This is what came out. This is Trade View, by the way. You guys have it. They have a free plan. So they have the pro. I just fucking free. So I really don't care what came out, to be honest. I just like to know what time it comes out because I know the volatility goes up. I don't care what the news, except for like FMOC. I don't really get into the data of it, but in my opinion, price action is number one for me. That comes from probably trading so many years of small caps. But in stocks, news really does matter. Market is technically not open yet. New York isn't opening yet. At open, like I said, still thinking that if I'm wrong, we flip short. We not digging, not digging where it's at. Might even trade sooner. Ain't nothing wrong with cutting the trade sooner, by the way, guys. I like the idea. There you go. I like that. I like that. I like being wrong. We opened up another minute bar. We get a push. Yeah, I'll take one off. And if we fail here, I probably won't short till we break this technically second bar. I like taking shorts when we break the floor. Okay, there's that push. Nope, a little more. This grind up sucks. Grind up is brutal. I hate when they grind. Great. But yeah, if you guys just joined the stream, welcome to 12M Hustle. Pretty down to earth, and I'm showing you guys how to have some combines. The regular chill way, not the fucking go YOLO way. You can always go YOLO, but it adds up at $1.50. You can be down pretty quick if you YOLO and everything. There's also straight to funding FTTs coming out, or they're out, but I think they're starting to accept credit cards on Monday. But their prices are pretty expensive, like $800 for like 150 account. Yeah, and they have like 20%. Um, I don't like that part. And you can't use Ninja Trader, so So those things I'm not trying to top step. My goal, like I said, top step, get 5 XFAs and go to town and pretty much build those I can and show you guys how it is to get a nice fat payout on each and keep the
Connection.
good connection. So you guys know I'm trading for reals. I'll show you guys my art trade. So you guys know this isn't bullshit. Here's my art trader, guys. It is. Okay, cool. Gotta have that open while you're trading. I said I switched accounts. I like mentally knowing I'm so confidence boost. So this 30-minute is looking real good right here. Guys, you see this? I'm really liking that push. Might take some off here. Oh, there we go. All right. So I'm obsessed with the free trades idea. That's sick right there. Okay, that's a $1.27. $1.27. If we're wrong, $100 trade. And by the way, 2-for-1s are not bad. Risking 1, 2, or but I gotta make this call real quick, so I'm gonna mute myself. I did this. All right, guys, I'm back. So I just had to do a call and I go over some information. Unfortunately, y'all can't find out what the hell it is. So again, that grind up, which just I hate it. Sucks the grind of death. Had I been short, I probably would have freaking cut it by now. Cause kind of death sucks. Oh, taking that. 73.696. Going down to a buck. I'm gonna give it some room. $1.50. The reason I'm gonna do a $1.50 because I have like 20%, 21 on profit, which is okay. End up being like a 130 loss. Like I said, I'm keeping that 1%, 2%. I don't know. Methodology on risk. If you guys have any questions or no, no. Question if you guys had any questions. Oh, you exciting. Going down, guys. See if I'm wrong. Ideally, I should put a stop here, but if I'm wrong, I want to be wrong early instead of wrong late. I'm okay with being down $1.30 on it. Fine. And even the sell off kind of sucks. It's so low. I want to see fast. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get taken right here. All right, I closed it out. I took that. I'm gonna add to it. Reason is I'm thinking I took a loss by the way on that, guys. So I'm adding to a winner. Micro 7. If I get a push down, I'm looking at cover right about this. Again, keeping that risk pretty good. Still holding. The max I'm willing to lose on the trade is about 400 to 500. Let's see, here's pretty much 10 micros. Here's a mini. If we get a flush. Now it's game on, right, guys? So here's that 30-minute. If it's gonna hold, right? Or if it's gonna push down and break this 30-minute. So if we get, I want a little bit of a flush here. Add to a little more, a little bit of a flush. And I'm taking some off in case I'm wrong. Always thinking if I'm wrong. All right, so cool. There's 100 on risk, and let's see if we break this 15-minute, which is what I'm thinking we might. By the way, we're down like 83 bucks. It's not bad. And now we're risking this top here. 58. I don't like the fact that it's this fucking 30 minute hasn't broken this right here. I'm looking to add into that 20 33 area. And if you're on Trading View, you guys can put practice account. You can break in. Of course, you don't want to sell 400. You're realistic, right? Um, I'm trying to change that for you guys. Okay, so you're not gonna put 4,000 fucking mic. You're gonna put a 8, and it's just kind of like a reminder for you. This is paper count, by the way, guys. It's like a reminder you to take the short off that break of that 30 minute. And I got one micro on, and we break 30 minute. I'm looking for a short, right? Target again could be, you could either target this level, which is your 2033, or you can target VWAP. That yellow line is at VWAP. Here's where I'm wrong. If it reclaims this prior high, it's gonna push. I'm gonna sit on hands and wait because I'm not digging that. Actually, I might even. There you go. That's pretty sick right there. That's a nice little off. I don't like the fact that it held that 30 minute. Or what I was saying, guys, it was like it can come down and keep pushing up. 6 o'clock, so we're still not. It take me out. The hardest thing is to know when you're wrong and be okay with sitting on hand. At this point, if I get stopped out, 2 to 3 trades I've taken on that account, and I'm trying to be on the right side of the boom. It would be wrong. Still not adding to it. Still want to add to it. I'm right. If we get back down here, I'll add. Trading is a lot of fucking weight. How would they make it seem on fucking Instagram or TikTok? Let's go. No, like I said, it's this whole morning spin. I could just add on fucking 14 micros. Stops me out there. I'm fucking down 400 bucks. And I'm just, oh, but this is what we're looking at on a 30 minute. We haven't broke this. You break that's where you back on. And we could just be range bound today. You might not feel that gap. Out of the 2 possibilities I said this morning, you're just fucking chop into this shit. Fuck. But I'm trying to catch at least one good fucking move, right? One good move. And you're always changing your plans and your ideas, but the biggest thing is risk. You're always changing it while you're trading live. What people don't right. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And the biggest thing that you don't want to change when you're trading is your fucking size. Right? Meaning like if it's a great setup, then yeah, put a little bit of size on it. If it's a shitty setup, don't fucking smack on 15 middies, right? Because you're not gonna put 15 middies in real life. You got 100K account, you're like, I'm gonna put fucking 15 middies on, let's go. Trade this shit like you're trading your own shit. Realistically, your own shit, even when I'm trading personal, max output of maybe 2 middies and I'm getting bricks. $603 by the way. Still hasn't broken a 30-minute prior bar. And technically it still hasn't even broken a 15-minute prior bar. Right here it tried and it held this shit, so my first idea is probably still holding. I got this. Alright. Then that got a $1.17, which is not horrific. I'm gonna take this straight on, and if we break this, I'm smacking the size on, right? Still got the idea or the method I think we're gonna break out. Still think we're breaking out. Still think we're going to at least kind of right there. What I'm thinking. One, not bad. My goal is to catch a good side of the. I'm looking for a breakdown of this area. A 30-minute, we're looking at break of a 30 minutes, 23.43. Right there. On that. But yeah. Once I probably get this count green, I'm probably gonna keep cycling. That's the cool thing about having more than one account. When you're doing combines or once you get XFAs, you want to switch, right? You don't want to just hammer on the same one. And I just want to take. The reason I took that as micro scalp mainly because I wanted to get a little bit off what I was down, like a $1.30. I'm down 95. Now we're fucking cooking, right? Now we're cooking. Right there. About 215. About a 125 tick. 188. Still, if we're wrong and we fucking take this out, I'm still looking for downplay down here. And this level you see here, I'll show you guys. That's that Asia previous low level. Looking for targets. That's how I use my targets, right? We're in the middle of a range of previous day lows, so it's gonna be a lot of sideways chop shit. So that's another big reason I'm not bringing in the size. I'm trying to catch a trade, hold trade. My favorite trades are the free trades, right? Free trade, I call it when you're in the money, and it's like, fucking free trading this right here. You take a little break off right here. It's this shorts probably got to stop right here, right? That's where their stops is. I've been a short, and I've been on the fucking wrong side of getting hammered. 07, that's New York still chilling, still chilling. Ooh, awesome. Friday, by the way, guys. Today's Friday. Yeah, I'm off on the weekends, but um, anyone who on my channel, I do have other things. I'll talk about them real quick. I do run an Airbnb. Actually, we have a check-in today. So I do run an Airbnb. I also run some eBay sales, sell knives on eBay, and I also um, do some side gigs after work, make some extra cash. So I'm a full-on grinder. That's why I call this channel 12M Hustle. Mainly about trading, but I do a lot of other shit too. So different sources of income, right? The biggest thing you guys gotta remember, especially when you're trying to make trading your trading career, the whole fucking quit your job and I'm gonna go trading full time and I got 50K in the bank. Guys, I've been there. I've done that shit. Most of the time, it doesn't work out. You're better off working 95, get some consistent money in, take it, and then once you feel you have money saved up, you're killing the game, then take the risk. And I might, yeah, I just this shit that it's no bueno, no bueno. You want to see it go right, but again, we're not at the opens. I'm gonna hold it for the open. I'm gonna hold it till the open unless I get to stop the house. This is the move, guys. Let me show you the move. Move is we fill this freaking gap right here. We get to previous day London. That's where it's at. I'll freaking draw it for you guys. If you want to be greedy, you can go for previous day high. But we smack on the 450, 2450. That's a sick trade, right? Like I catch this trade, that's it. You should be done with that account. That account just fucking smoked it. That's the goal, is to catch those. Yeah, when I'm live streaming, I'm not. Some news. What is this? Wall Street set for majority higher open after soft inflation report. It looks like we had a soft inflation report, and that was from TradingView. So that's pretty sick that they do that. The news just pops up. Pretty cool. I like that. And I can actually read that for you guys. If you're a news trader, that's cool. That's like a connection. That's fine. I should read that for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna read some news for you guys, just in case you're a news trader. So it looks like U.S. yields dip as August inflation slows. Looks like right now they're saying stock notch new highs on China stimulus, Fed easing the bets. This is at 6:11. Read this for you guys real quick. So just saying China stocks record best week since 2008. Yin jumps as set to become Japan's next PM. Traders ramp up the bet on ECB rates cut in October, and US PC data softer than expected. Me, I know what the fuck that means. Don't care. I trade price, I trade charts. That's it. Buyers, sellers. There's more buyers, there's more sellers. That's what I give a fuck about. So that is it. That's what I trade. And again, I'm just covering that loss. Risking a little less too, by the way. So, I'll read more about this for you guys. Looks like you're being 600 rows of 0.5, blah, blah, blah. And that's about it. So what I'm taking is basically looking like bullish day to day. Let's see if we get that breakout. All right, so now we're back down to like 50 bucks. So I'll take that. We're gonna put a little bit of size behind this. 5 micros. Nothing crazy, right? Nothing crazy. But yeah, that's the news for you guys. You can check it out on TradingView. It's free. DCA, by the way, means pretty much means adding to losers. Apex was a big one that they said you can't add to losers. It isn't bad, but a lot of people do. You can do it, but I try not to. I have a standing desk too, by the way. I guess back here, I got my boards. I got a bunch of hats, and I got a big ass bowl behind. By the way, I'm not the best long trader. I'm ideally a better short. Reason why, because I come from small caps. But I mean, I'll get my long game on, you know. But I do hate trading long. By the way, I hate this fucking grinds up. Fucking sucks to me. Taking one off there. Took one off. This fucking grind is killing me. Sucks. Shit sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna get some work done. Watching fucking paint try sucks. Another one off there. Alright. Buck 60 down to 3 micros again. I hate when shit just doesn't just go. I want that shit just go. Still waiting for this fucking 30 minutes. Get smacked. 6:17, so we're almost out to the open. Wait. Oh, shout out to my boy Travis Trading. That fool's sick. Make sure you follow his YouTube. Shout out to the homie. Today's breakfast was crab cakes and actually not crab cakes, rice cakes and banana and a protein shake. I get that in there. This shit sucks. This is not the good stuff that I like seeing. Oh fuck that. I took it off. I fucking this shit. No bueno. I'm taking that. I'll take a short off this. Off just 20, 30. That shit was driving me crazy. This little grindy shit is not my cup of tea at all. Fucking hate it. I'm gonna wait for the open. Put a sale stop here. Get smoked in here. Oh, it's that shit, but I'm just that grinding shit. I'm not about that shit. You only know when it's grinding because once you've traded long enough, you kind of get a sense for price action. I took it off because that shit sucked. Yeah, that account's in the red, by the way. Buck down a buck 39. No biggie. Morning's early. Morning's early. Back. It's kind of the part where it's like a super analyzing every fucking ticket. Fuck it. Wait for the open. Keep that jumps up the volatility. Again, it's Friday, so I'm also keeping that in mind. Super like fucking smack it down. Actually, okay, we ready ending an account in red. Actually, ideally, I don't want to. But all day, this is not giving me good hopes for the rest of the level. I know this news kind of sucked. To be honest, I mean that little pump it gave, like 20 ticks, 35 ticks. It kind of sucks for me. But it is Friday, so this you don't want. kind of what you want. Uptrend, boom, downtrend, the lower lows or highs. See how that works? This shit here is what you don't want to be a part of. This shit here is what tops you out. Chop, chop, chop. This is what you, right? Yesterday, this is what yesterday was kind of the same shit. It was chop, 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 and then boom. Asia was nice and cool, all the way up, right? This was the day prior to that last week. Boom, boom, push, down, 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 right? If you start seeing the same shit over, you know when it's fucking chopping. This shit, chop, chop, chop. You don't want to be the wicks. Fucking kill you. Wicks are gonna kill you, or me, anybody. Kind of what I'm seeing. Another thing you guys notice, you still haven't made a lower low. See that? So on the short, still kind of good. Maybe a break here with 15 minute more than boom. But even then, you still don't fucking have a break. That 23, 42, get a break there. You get at least 40, 50 takedown. Anyways. By the way, this actually works too. Recording myself as I trade actually helps me out. Talk my trades out. Since I don't have anybody following me at this point. Couple people watching here and there. Don't really matter. I don't have any haters yet. Gonna 625. By the way, I hope you guys are loving your coffee. This gotta get that coffee, big coffee guy. If you're not a coffee guy, that's cool. You can be a tea guy. You can even be a fucking alcohol guy, I guess. I might start put some music. Maybe you know what? Let me put some jam. Get it pumping. Let's put some. We'll put some this loft. There we go. You guys can hear this good stuff right here. Get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Still waiting for the open. Still waiting for the open. I actually know some traders that only trade the open. 30 seconds, 2 minutes, and they're fucking done for their day. Crazy. One more thing, guys. All my trades, like when I'm doing a limit trade, they all have free risk on them. So I have like a 50 risk, and then I have like a 400. So just FYI. I ain't gonna make a call, guys. Stop the music. I gotta mute real quick. I got another call to make. I'm just gonna mute myself real quick, guys. What's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so look at that. I want to take it right here. Oh, you see that? That's wow. 6:30, by the way. It's 6:30. It is 6:30 right now. Wow, that's shocking that it didn't. I'm surprised that it didn't take that. There it is. Up that 30-minute. We're gonna take it right here. There it is. There's the drop, guys. See that? That's what we wanted. Very nice. We added to that winner. Drop, drop, drop. There we go. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at that, guys. That is a nice trade. Now we're back in the green. Take another short. Take 3 micros and risk the top. Now we can risk that. That's beautiful. That's what I was talking about, that level, right, guys? Take that, add it to that winner. And this is that level right here. That 2334 that I've been talking about all morning, right? This is that level that I'm talking about on that 30-minute. Took some off. Beautiful. If we break that 2339 that I was talking about this morning, I'm gonna add to that short, right? I'm gonna add to that short. Now we're just risking $60, which is not bad. I'm adding to that. All right, so cool. I added to that. When, if we can break that on another account I have on Sim, I have a sell order at 23.99. Oh, I got hit. See, sweet. All right, all right. So I got hit there. So let's smack that on here, guys. Beautiful. That is gorgeous. That's a nice trade right there. Okay. I'm digging that trade. If I get stopped out on this, that's cool because that was a nice trade. That was good. And then look, this is the sim trade on here. This is what I'm talking about, size. See how it's at 8. I'm gonna put this back for you guys. I don't know why it went away. Probably because yeah, that when I added that, when you guys saw those 10, 14 macros, it was quick. It was just boom, 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 quick scalp, get my money, get out, right? I don't want to have that size on this type of move here. It's still holding Asia low, right? Um, up about $60, but I don't like the way it's still holding. That might have been the move for the day. Shit, who knows? But I still have my overall thesis that we're have a bull day. So I'm keeping my shorts quick, fast, taking profits, and just fucking going for it, right? Yeah, turn the music off just because the action's here now. All right. So I don't like that trade location, so I'm not gonna. That looks nice there, right? Makes me want to add. All right, let's take that little drop here. Very nice. Okay, now we're cooking. We are cooking, guys. $45 stop. We are cooking. In the money. We're still looking for that stop. In the money. Look at that. We're gonna look for a flush down. Flush down. Flush down. Flush down. Flush down. There's that flush we wanted. There's the flush. Free trade. Free trade. That was sick. I'm switching account, guys. If I can find the right fucking account. I just switched accounts because I want to take this trade on here. If it broke that level, there it is. There's that level we're talking about. There's that level. Let's see if we get it. There it is. Beautiful. Beautiful right there. That's beautiful. There it is. Look at that drop, guys. Look at that. We talked about this morning, right? That. And now when I'm shorting the bottom of these bars, I'm not looking to add size because it's gonna fucking smack me, right? If I'm wrong. This is free trade. Free trade. I'm looking to milk this bitch. There we go. Free trade. That was a clean free trade. And now I'm gonna wait. I could probably miss all this, which is fine. But if I short here and this bitch wicks back, it's gonna take me, right? Here's where the control of greed comes into play. Oh, let me take this off. Actually, let me. This is the paper trade account, and it hit that VWAP that we were talking about earlier. And even on fucking, hey Ralph, this is what we talked about. Targets hit. This was hit. VWAP was hit. Did you guys see that? That was pretty clean, right? Pretty short. Just boom, boom, boom. Take it. Boom, boom, boom. Take it. Now, if we're gonna reshort this, I'm probably gonna take some here. And I'm gonna wait for a little more of a pullback. Was it 638? And there we go. Might be wrong here, guys. Hey. DCA. 500's all I'm willing to risk on this. If I'm wrong, fuck it. Takes me out. I'll take some of that out. Let's go. Free trade. Free trade. Free trade. That was a free trade. I want to keep shorting, but I don't like. I don't like how it's reclaiming back up higher. So here's a 30-minute, and it's holding that VWAPs. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Get out. And I have other time scales. So I'm looking at a 5-minute right now, and it's holding that 5-minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. It's 6:41, and if it breaks this 5-minute, I have another 5-minute chart. If it breaks that 5-minute, I'll take a 1 micro short on there. But yeah, we'll see. I'm green as fuck on all 3 accounts, so I might just stop here and say fuck it. And that last DCA you saw, that was just, if you do that on fucking minis, you'd be screwed, right? On that pullback, it would have screwed you. 15 minutes, you'd be done. Hit your DD and you're done. There's $150 down the drain, right? I see in trading, there's a lot of waiting. See that pullback? I like that pullback. That was nice. Nice pullback. Pullbacks like that are nice. Another free trade. Nice. It's waiting for these pullbacks that gets fucking hard, right? When you gotta wait for those pullbacks. Uh, that's cool. That was a sick pullback. See that 5 minute on a 5 minute, you're looking at reclaiming on a 5 minute. I'll show you. So the good thing to look at all time frames is here's a 5 minute, right? This is the problem with trying to get short here and then it fucking catches you. Or you could be right, and then but next time you do it, you could be wrong. You break this level here, you see that? Might take another short. Don't like how it's like wicking. It's 43 and it's just wicking. That's a 5 minute. Like I'm ready to short it, but I know how nasty NQ can be. NQ loves to freaking reclaim. Ooh, just reclaim. Ooh. And I'm not trying to get no size down here getting fucking wicked up. Because I've done it before and the shit sucks. That's, ideally, if this wicks back to like here, that's pretty bomb ass risk you'll have. This right here, I'm not digging this short and it keeps going, but I might just say fuck it. Leaning towards fuck it. Okay, there we go. So now we got another 15-minute bar. So you have this to risk off, right? So let's say you short here once it breaks the floor, and then you can risk off to have a stop. Now you're getting a reclaim. Now it's 6:45 a.m. So here's that range I was talking about, right? There's your 5 minute, you got your 15 minute, 10 minute. Let's go back to our 30 minute. Your 30 minute overall trend is coming back. If this baby smacks above here, then you're like, oh yeah, game on for the long, right? You just stopped out every short. What I mean by like right now, I'm just going. Ideally, I want to break. Yeah, big advantage I do is I do use a lot of sim accounts. Helps out to like get your idea right, to be waiting like here. You have if you get a short here, you get another break of this 30 minute. Next target under this VWAP, if it flushes down again, we're looking at 26 or we're looking at Asia low, right? Because you just busted through Asia high and London. So you broke through these two. Levels. I don't. Patient. Patient. Wait. gonna wait. Now, if you're on the reverse side and you're looking for longs down here, then your methodology is going to be the further you pull down here, the closer you get to your risk, right? To your stop. The closer you are to your stop, the better the trade is because the tighter the risk. Here long, I'm not chasing that, right? Then my stop's going to be here. Fucking 70, 70, 80 points. I'm not doing that. No. I'm just going to wait. Right? I'm interested up here. I'm interested once we get up to like here. Put a short on here and put that as a stop. If you're wrong, that's a tight, tight trade. I said I've done the wicks, or wicks you back, and let's say you're short 11 micros, it stops you out. Just lost a G. Right? Let's say you're short 14 micros from where we're at right here, and it doesn't flush back down. You're wrong. You're down 1200. Almost more than almost half of what your daily DD is. That's how you gotta think of trading. This I'm here. By the way, on a 5 minute, things going to town. About to do a breakout. 5 minute. Take a stop up here. That's right. Breakout. It's the so But yeah, I'm very interested. So if you're short right now from this area covered here, which is right there, you're short and you get fucking stopped out. They're gonna run it. They're gonna run. Not gonna be good. Here's somebody. Listen, trading for the day. Wait now. Wait game. Another big reason I have time slots. I used to have time small caps. Uh, right? Yeah, this really cool that it helps. I don't have to. I just go back and as long as I just trade only when I'm in the but yeah, for video recordings away journaling. I'm just chilling, guys. I'm waiting. So this morning I could tell the price was it's shady, but how fast crap. This is the move, right? Green is on my account. Not where I want to be, but price at 25. So, but looking for that short under V wump. I don't know. Looking for that short under. Rub it down to it. What a 10-minute looks like, and this is what I'm looking. 10, 5, 15. This break right here. Get break or for a target down. I'm waiting. About to. Trading is a lot of fucking weight. Oh, there we go. Get that. What I've been waiting for, guys. We're right here. This is what I'm going to break. In for a floor break. This would have chopped you up if you're on minis. Minis go, you're on, let's say you're long, fucking 15 minutes at the top. This pullback, screwed. 5 minis, screwed. Just the way it is. So NQ is so wicky and whippy. I want to take the short here. If I get it, I'm at it. I'll probably do a stop. Maybe 2 micros at max. Takes it. I'm still waiting over here on 10 minute. We're on 15 minute, 5 minute. We broke down up here. I'm gonna go off the 5 minutes, kind of small. I missed this out, but it's okay. I want to be on the longer bit of a. We broke this, broke 2 bars. You come from the 5th. You just broke the 10 minute. Now you're at the 15. We take this 15, right? Then you're talking. You break this 30, we're in the game. So let's see if she breaks the 30. And this is what you're doing when you're trading. You're just pretty much talking yourself throughout the trade. Like, what trade's a good setup? And by the way, this is not like my prime setup. My prime setups are when we're below previous day high. We open below this, taking short, right? When we're above previous day high, taking longs. That's my juice. That's my stuff. See how it just keeps eating up that area, keeps making almost like a double bottom. Hit the 5 to 10. Get a good scalp. Was a good scalp. See that? Here's your 50. Look at that. Like, boom, boom, pop, 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So long, risking off those lows. Our bad risk. Off those. That. Off. Going up. Got riding now. Now if you get a break. A reclaim. Nice little double bottom, almost triple bottom off there. Uh, I'm gonna be greedy with it. Now I'm curious. You see how this is still not short, right? This is full off on a 30 minute. So that's the biggest thing I've noticed on 30 minute. Usually when you break a 30 minute, like At least didn't break it. Held it. Held it. When this broke it, it was like boom, flush. But for a fucking 30 minute, you gotta wait. Part that sucks ass. It's the waiting thing. That's what sucks. Here's a 30 minute. We're cooking and waiting. And by the way, that level, this is a level here. So it's holding that 2032 level almost like for a breakout. I'll add to the winner. There we go. Look at that. That was clean. That was nice. I like this. I like that breakout. Oh, about to switch this to a free trade. Free trade. Got a free trade right here. Oh, there it is. There it is. Free trades. That we're talking about. There. Boom. Nice free trade right there. That's a sick free trade, and I'm done with that account for the day. 20 account. 28 account. I really see shit. Oh, it's not. Again, we're gonna take. I'm finished with the other account, by the way, guys. That one kind of hit my daily goal at 360. That was a nice scout, little scout. I saw that. Oh, sick. Okay, cool. But now it's really interesting. Now we're cooking. There's your 15. Are we gonna break? Two. Oh wait, that last one's not me. Thought about. That's when I did two winners. That was good, and it is 7:06, guys. 7:06. So that 7:30 is about to hit. This is where I said if it's hasn't made hasn't made the during the day's high. So basically, today, right now, right now's high is 0.96 by 7:30. We're either gonna flush down into this area or we're gonna push. We're gonna get that push we're talking about. So what are we gonna do? This is how you use different time frames to make your plan. Like I said, plan always change. The plans always change when you're. It's never the same. If that scalp wasn't creating, I just took profits. Boom, 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 done, out. I'm done with that account. Wait for this one. Want to add? Go ahead and like it. Tight, nice and tight. Oh, like it. I'm right or wrong. Take a risk a little bit. this. I got some profits, so I can risk half. They'll be Gucci, and my biggest, like I said, I'm trying to catch this move. I'm trying to catch the moves that make the money. There we go. A little push here. Little push. Wait. If we get a push, I'll take some off. If we do get a push, I will. If we don't, I'm okay with the risk. Half of that. So I'm 336, but I got some profits. I'll be down about $1, which is okay. I'll take that. I can take that L on the chin. And sometimes I de-risk. Oh shit. I did that. Oops. That was okay. Hey, like this. I like it. I like the way it's right there. Give me a push. Give me a fucking. Stop me up. Is it gonna stop me up? Buyers are trying to hold that level hard. Gonna get the push we need right. Guys, let's see. Oh, get a push. That. Go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. That was a good little push up there. Like that. We can hold that. I do like this trade right here. This is good risk. So we're gonna do this as risk and about to hard to say if they're gonna push. This could be wrong. They take it out. Once they take this 30-minute, this should flush down to here. The question is, how much are you okay with losing? Or that's like it. 11 miles. Not risk is tight. Uber time. 150. Good. Oh, there we go. I don't know. Oh yeah, now we're in the money. If we stopped out. We stopped out here. We're going to town. Take it. Fucking do it. Oh, what the hell? Let's go. Let's go. I saw that. Saw that, right? That was clean, right? Take it again. Flush. Flush some more. There we go. We were just talking about that flush, right? That was that floor break we just. Right. So that was a nice little drop there. Was definitely digging that. That got exactly what we wanted. That last one we took it off. We said fuck it. Didn't like the way that was reclaiming. That was very nice. Oh, did it not take this? No? Okay. There we go. Okay. We're gonna there. Oh, there we go. We're gonna take that. We'll add another one on. Like the up and up. There it is. There it is. All right, free trade. Free trade, free trade. Very nice. Okay. We're gonna wait now. I'll take another short if we do a floor break here. And that was not. I might be done with that. Okay, cool. Oh, a type. Um, right about there. Add to that. Okay, cool. So that was pretty sick. That was exactly how we planned it. Yeah, I mean, you just gotta have a game plan. And okay, cool. Let's take that. Do a free trade. Kind of a free. We'll give it a little bit of a. There we go. Free trade. Free trade, guys. She's gonna bleed. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. Okay, so now I'm interested. There, I'm actually gonna take this off. And I'm interested for break. Another floor break on a 30-minute. Bring that 30. See how that worked, guys? That's why a 30-minute I have it up because it really does help a lot. So we get another floor break, I'll take it. My other accounts were pretty good on the money. They're about 300-400 bucks on a day after taking some losses. You guys saw that. And then this is gonna be my last trade, my last traded account on this. I'm gonna, if it gets short here, I'm gonna take some size of 4. It did get clocked in. There it is. Clocked in. Trade. Could be done, but I think we're gonna flush. Again, I'm gonna wait. Ooh. Okay, you guys see that floor break? Every time you have a floor break, what's gonna usually happen? It's gonna extend a little more, and that's what you're gonna capture. Boom, capture, capture. But the goal of the 30 minutes is you want to be on the right side of the. I'm gonna cut it down to a 10-minute. Guys. So here's a 10-minute. You guys see that? I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna paper tray. Cut that one. Just you guys can see how. See this? 10-minute. Stop, stop, stop. Then push. When you finally got the 30-minute break here, this is the extra that you got from like 312 all the way down to 3283. So you got a nice points. You got nice points. Nice scalps there. That's where you want to have a little bit of size. Before I think I had 6 or 7 micros. That's where you want to. That's where you want to be right. Try to be right. When you're wrong, you want to be wrong. You always want to make more. Trading poker. And yes, I'm still working. But overall, my thesis is much the same. I'm still thinking back up. I think that. So it's 7:22 and at 7:30 we're gonna have FU bar time. I might just Take that order off. On this one, off this. And I might be done for the day. So I'm green on all three accounts. That's fucking go. And just repeating this every day and going, that is fucking true. Today was a good lesson on risk control and how to trade micro. That was pretty nice. So what we got going on? These are old accounts. They still haven't got off. I don't know why. I think they're about to probably after. And we'll just have this. So if you look at that, boom, boom, boom. Where's that? So I'm at, this is kind of when I want to go for daily. Same shit I would do on my funded is 290, 342 for. Go for this every day. You do this for 30 days, and boom, next thing you know, you made over 10 grand, right? More than you make at your fucking day job. So, but this is not what people want. People want this shit, right? This is my STEM account that I trade as well. And they want this. They want 14, 15, I'm fucking 9,000. This is the swing I had over last night. Because I practice swinging too sometimes. Not on my personal, just on case I ever want to do it. They want this shit every day. That's not realistic. This is realistic. Not realistic. This is realistic. Not realistic. This is like if you have 200K account and you're fucking rich and probably trading full time if you have 200K and don't give a damn. But for us to have, not 300K in the bank, 400 bucks a day, 400 bucks a day is 100K a year, right? 252 trading days in a year. 1,000 a day is 250, but kind of, that goal is pretty big. I mean, you always want to dream big and all that. But I think if you can just be good and keep the greed in control with between 200 is 50,000 a year and 400 to 100,000, you can make 100,000 a year consistently from trading. Fuck, that's a pretty good fucking life. Can't complain. Of course, you can always make more, but good start off, right? People work 9 to 5 to make. The cool thing is if you're doing it and 9 to 5, now you're talking. Now you can invest. Now you can buy rental properties, into Airbnbs, and all different. I'm able to do this. Bought my house back in 2010, 2011, 20, 30%. Mortgage payments are fucking unreal compared to everywhere in the nation, right? In Vegas, you're paying like 1,700 for a fucking bedroom, one bedroom. It's crazy. But choices you make, guys. In your 20s, what you do in your 20s will show up in your 30s, will show up in your 40s. In your 40s will show up in your 50s. David Goggins says if you put the front work up, front load it, good on the back. Of course, I want more, but planning. Oh, we're good on that. All my top step combines for 50Ks, I'm just chilling right now. Doing some work. Watching this. Usually when I'm done trading, I just jump on and go check out uh, trading with Travis or Travis trading. Just watch his stream and just chill for the day. Or I put on a podcast or listen to music. Yeah, up 728. So these wicks are the wicks that kill you. So this is what I'm talking about. If you're 15 minutes here, this wick down will kill you. If you're 15 minutes here on the wrong way, wick up would kill you. It's just these wicks are nasty. Right? They're pretty nasty. And it's Friday. Probably about the day. About to hit 7. Might take one more trade. Take one more. That one. Nothing crazy because I think we're about to either go to previous day high through the shorts, or maybe we're not. That's the cool thing about having one micro on though. Kind of withstand these wicks. Um, Figure it out. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So got this going on here. We do you got a double bottom. This is on a 10-minute. If we break it, then we're probably gonna crush down. Here's your 15-minute, and here's your 30-minute. Let's see if they wick it back down. They do. Oh, 7:30 by the way, so you're gonna get some type of price action, some type of movement. Movement. Go. I'll take the 30-minute. Ooh, that was tough. Here's the wick I was talking about. These wicks are oh, I want to add to that. Let's add to it. Flush it. Take that on that flush. Took some on that flush. See if we can get another flush. Nice. Get a little more. Add to winners, add to winners, add to winners, add to winners is the name of the game. Very nice. That's nice. Oh, very nice. Are we gonna get that floor break? We are. Why is she gonna reclaim back up? No, we're gonna get the floor break. She won't sit. Yeah, she won't sit. She won't sit. Yeah, and she won't sit. Hey. Oof. See what she's gonna do. I keep the wrist pretty tight here. I might take it off. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. Very nice. That was a nice little run there. Look at that. You guys like that? That was nice, right? You guys like that? That was sick, huh? You got that 30-minute. I was right on the money. And I think with that, that is money honey right there. 735. That was sick. That was sick. Nice trade. All right. That was nice. That was a good trade, guys. That's exciting when you follow your trade plan and you're just like, just fucking do it. Boom. Sick right there. That was sick. Very nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, right guys? Hell yeah. Oh, it might be done. We just broke through Asia's previous low. We just hit it. So now we might, I don't know. We might just range bound in here. Or we might just keep on bleeding off. But these nasty wicks today were pretty nasty on had you had minis on, you would have got fucking smoked. Fucking smoked. Yeah. I'm deciding if I want to be done for today or not. I think I might be done. I might take one more trade, and that's gonna be a floor break trade, and it's gonna be a micro. See how this? I'll show you guys on this 30. So today's main trades were in the morning. We fucking got chopped up a little bit. This little chop shit fest sucked, right? So we noticed it, we cut it, we waited. When we started getting this first breakdown, boom, we hit it on a 30-minute, right? So we got our first break on a 30-minute right here. We shorted it, boom, covered. We waited. This big pullback probably stopped a lot of shorts out. Took a little bit of scalps long. When we got another four break, boom, we took it again. Short, we covered the drop. Now we're chilling and we're waiting. And you see how these wicks are nasty on this 15. Let's say you're down here and you're 15 minis in, right? 15 minis in deep, and you're like, let's go. You're gonna get wrecked. You're gonna automatically blow up your combine. You're fucking funded. Fuck, you're gonna blow up your own fucking trading account if you're 15 minutes in, and this thing you get swiped up 30 points, 40 points. Like that's a wrap. You're down like 6K. Not cool, right? So that's the biggest thing when it comes to size control. That last drop was perfect. We were right here. We were short. We added, and boom, got that drop, and we just covered it. Made the bank. Um, yeah, I could. 740. Yeah, I'm done. I'm fucking done. Fuck this shit. I ain't giving back shit. I'm out. Actually, let me take a 15-minute work. All right. So I'm gonna take a 15 minutes from my actual job. Finish up this coffee. Done. I got the move. Targets were hit today. So let's go over today's game plan. Pretty simple. We talked about it, right? We game planned it. We talked about it. We're gonna recap today. So if you just joined me, what's up, 12M Hustle? We're gonna recap what the game plan today was. So originally we said, hey, we're looking for a breakout, right? We're looking for a breakout above here. We didn't get. We're looking for a breakout into this. Didn't get it. Longed a little bit. Scalped out. We were up a couple $100. We got the hell out. Switched accounts, and then we waited for breaks. When we got the breaks, and we started covering, and then we got another break. And we covered again. We got another break. Covered again. And that's it. We are done. So we got a piece of this. Mainly it was shorts today again. I'm a short trader, short bias, but I'm okay with longing. This shit is not what you want to see when you long. You want to see this, right? You long off here and then boom. That's what you want to see. Same thing with shorting. These wicks probably stopped out a lot of people. But so we took out Asia high, London high. We took out previous Asia low. So I'm good on targets. And we're messing around on this daily level here, which is 23.32. So I got the move I wanted. We're red on NQ's red today, so could continue to fall. I don't know. Don't give a crap. I'm done. Show you guys this account real quick. Show you guys where I'm at. This is where I'm at. So I said, boom. That last play was money maker right there. Look at that. 860, 761. Then we have our second account, 292. That's my wife. I know she's in the camera. Hi, wife. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say good morning? Good morning. So wife says good morning. Anyways, so we're looking at, so the second account we did good, third account we did good, and I hit our targets 300, 300, and 761. We are done. I'm closing it out. About to put some fucking Spotify. About to go back to work. I'll get my ass fired. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys love it. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Share it with your peeps. And hope you like the 12M Hustle channel. Have a good one, guys. Remember, risk is everything. Peace.